Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa. I hope you all are doing well. So I have been sent this amazing package from Cuffs and Lashes. There are a lot of makeup products in here. So today I'm going to share all what I have got in this box. This was sent to me for the festive seasons. And the box looks so cute. Thanks a lot to Cuffs and Lashes for this package. So let's get started. Let me show you guys. So there are so many stuff in here. There is a wonderful thank you note from Cuffs and Lashes, and there is a wonderful diary in here. This is a wooden diary. This one actually I was very impressed with. This looks so wonderful, guys. Look at this. There is a wooden pen in here, and this is a wooden diary that looks amazing. You can see there are a lot of makeup products in here, and I'm going to show everything to you guys. The packaging was amazing. Everything was bubble wrapped, individually bubble wrapped actually. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I have here, two foundation actually. This is Cuffs and Lashes Cover Capsule Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. These are two shades of foundation. I have not opened it up yet, so let's see how these are. So the foundation looks like this. It looks like a capsule actually. So I think this one will be a shade lighter for me. This does not look like my shade, but let's see. Yeah, it's definitely not my shade. It's way too lighter for my skin, as you can see. Sometimes what happens is if you don't get your shade, then you can mix two shades to create your own shade. So yeah, the second one is this shade. This one is in the shade, let me see, Almond, 204 Almond. And this one is in the shade 103 Ivory. Ivory is actually never my shade, but Almond can be my shade actually. It looks good. It is saying to shake it well before using it. Okay. Yeah, this one looks a bit like my shade. The consistency is quite lightweight. It's neither too creamy, neither too liquidy. Yeah, this one can be my shade a little bit. Still, I think that this can be a little bit lighter for my skin, but I can make it work. Yeah. So the next in here is this, let's see, Cuffs and Lashes palette actually. This is a mini eyeshadow palette. There are 12 shades in here. Let's see. There are so many shades in here that I really like. I can use them actually. So yeah, let's swatch it up for you guys. I do really like all the shades, but let's see how they work. The shades are pretty good. They are very decent, and they're like everyday use shades. But there are two shimmery shades. I do really like shimmery shades. I use them all the time whenever I feel like, a little bit special occasion. I use shimmery shades. So yeah, this is kind of an everyday palette. You can use it every single day for your everyday look. Pretty nice, pretty decent. Next, I have a contour palette from Cuffs and Lashes. This is like a bronzer, that you can contour. I am not huge on bronzers or contours or anything. I don't use them, but this one looks too cute. Oh wow, this one looks amazing, very cute, and the shade is also very nice. The texture is really nice. It's not very loud, it's very subtle. See, this one looks similar to the bronzer, and the blush looks too cute, and the shade is also too cute. See, very easy to carry actually, very travel friendly. It's a bright pinky shade. And again, this is very subtle, it's not too loud, you know. You can build it up definitely. Very subtle shade, it's not too loud, and the texture is also very like smooth, you know. It's not too powdery, it's not too creamy, it's kind of in between. So very pretty and very cute. So okay, next we have actually tint. This is a lip, cheeks and eye tint. I have had quite a few of these type of products, you know. So yeah, it comes in a tub like this. The shade is a bit darker for me. I don't use this kind of shades on my cheek, but for my lips it will look too nice, you know. Very bright, like maroon shade. It looks too cute. It will be perfect for my lips, but I am not sure to use it on my cheeks because it is too bright. I can't use it on my cheeks, but the consistency is very creamy and perfect for lips, guys. This is in the shade 09, Too Hot. Next, I have got 3 lip products. This one is a lip gloss, a transparent lip gloss. See, it's a very nice transparent shade. Very light pinky tone to it. Very slight pinky tone to it. But yeah. See, it gives a very nice shine to my lips. It feels quite hydrating actually. Next one that I have is a liquid lip. It is a matte liquid lip in the shade 18 Lux. It is like a nude brown color. Very nice kind of shade that I am wearing right now. The next one that I have is another liquid lip, matte liquid lip. This one is kind of a dark shade. This one is in the shade 07 Soho. Wow, this is a very dark shade actually. It is kind of a dark wine shade. Very nice, very pretty. These are long wear liquid lips actually. Next, I have a lip gloss. Oh, this is not a lip gloss. This is again a matte lip actually. Liquid lip, a bright pinky shade. Very pretty. It looks so soft actually. I like this shade. Yeah. The last one that I have is actually broken. This is actually a highlight. But it is broken. You know, they wrapped everything very nicely. Everything was individually wrapped, but still this one is broken. Things happen, this kind of things happen, but it really breaks my heart to see this actually. It is broken, but let's swatch it. Let's see how the shade is, because I am a huge fan of highlights. As you can see, I'm wearing nothing but highlights today. It's a very nice golden kind of highlight actually. But wow, it looks so pretty. I wish it was not broken, guys. Wait, let me swatch it nicely for you guys. It provides such a nice shine, guys. A golden, pretty, glowy shine. It looks so good, but this one is broken. I mean, oh, I love highlights. Okay, no worries. Stuff happened. I got everything intact. This only one piece was broken. It happens. Stuff happens, okay? But it makes me very sad. Anyways, thank you again Cuffs and Lashes for sending me all this amazing stuff. I will definitely try these foundations on my face. This one actually, this is my somewhat similar to my shade, so I will try this one and let you guys know how this foundation works. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I will catch you all next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.